Hello! In this video we're going to use bicarbonate soda and vinegar in a science experiment that the children will enjoy. It inspires curiosity, it has this cause and effect quality, and you can engage them in this by using the fine motor skills. So we need a cupcake tray. On this occasion I will use some leads and some cups, but you can use a cupcake tray if you have at home preferably, because you can line up different color surprises for your children. So it starts by pouring some food coloring or paint, if it is appropriate, in your leads or cupcake tray. Food coloring or paint. I'm going to use some. Oh, we're not going to spread, we're going to pour. That was too much. Perhaps a little bit more green here. Green. Okay. Now you're going to cover this color in advance with some bicarbonate soda. So cover it completely, if possible. Cover it. Cover it. The idea is to have enough bicarbonate soda to cover completely your colors. Now, next you can pour vinegar in a cup. And you can use the cup to scoop out vinegar from, or you can squeeze the vinegar bottle. A plastic bottle is ideal for that, directly into your bowl. For practice on fine motor skill of using the spoon pincer grip, you can just use the spoon and model and allow your children to take turn or support them physically to use the spoon. It can be a deeper spoon or a shallow spoon, doesn't matter, you will use whatever is appropriate for your children. So by pouring the vinegar in the bowls, the color will show up and will be different every time according to your preparation. The more vinegar you put, it fizzes, and the children will be excited enough to dip their fingers in, explore, mouth it. It's okay, it's a little bit tangy, but it's fine. They enjoy it. And as long as it is food colors, it's also safe to mouth it. What is the color here? Ooh. Green. It's fizzing. Oh, more green. It's fizzing. Fizzing. What is the color here? Oh. Green. And you can always squeeze it directly from the bottle. Ready, steady, go! Wow! Fizzing. You can do that as many times as you wish. if you have enough containers or a big cupcake tray. You can pause, you can await for your children's reaction, if they make eye contact with it, if they reach out, if they want to smell tomato, or if they reach out for another go. Color surprise. Thank you for watching.